You just got $1,000. What's the first thing you do with it? Buy new clothes? Go on a trip? Or would you make it work for you? Most people waste their money on things that lose value, but today, I'm going to show you how to invest $1,000 wisely to double, triple, or even 10x your money over time. It's not about how much you have, it's about how you use it. Even with just $1,000, you can start your journey to financial freedom. 1. The foundation. Protect your money first. Before you invest, you need to make sure you're financially stable. A lot of people make the mistake of investing without a safety net, then panic when they need quick cash. First step. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Second step. Pay off high-interest debt. Credit cards can erase your profits. Third step. Set up an investment plan so you're making informed decisions. Pro tip. If you're already financially stable, your $1,000 can be invested aggressively for high returns. 2. Low-risk, high-growth investments, best for beginners. Let's start with the safest, smartest ways to grow your money with minimal effort. Stock market investing, $1,000 strategy. S&P 500 index funds, historically 10% annual returns. Dividend stocks. Get paid just for holding stocks. Robo-advisors. AI-powered investing for hands-off growth. Secret strategy. Instead of investing all $1,000 at once, use dollar cost averaging. Invest $250 per month to minimize risk. 3. Real estate without buying property. Yes, it's possible. Think you need thousands to invest in real estate? Think again. Here's how to invest in property without ever buying a house. Real estate investment options for $1,000. REITs, real estate investment trusts, invest in rental properties and commercial buildings. Real estate crowdfunding, Fundrise, Roofstock 1, own property shares for just $10. Airbnb arbitrage. Rent properties and sublet on Airbnb without owning them. Unique tip. Invest in REITs focused on data centers and logistics warehouses. They're booming with AI and e-commerce growth. 4. Alternative investments. Where the rich put their money. The wealthy don't just invest in stocks, they diversify into unique assets. Here's how you can do the same. Alternative investment ideas for $1,000. Gold and silver, a hedge against inflation. Start with fractional gold investing. Fine art investing, masterworks, own a piece of $1 million painting for under $500. Rare collectibles, sneakers, watches, or trading cards can appreciate fast. Pro tip. A signed pair of Jordan sneakers sold for $615,000. Collectibles can be insanely profitable. 5. Invest in yourself. Your highest ROI investment, the best investment you can make? Investing in yourself. This is how self-made millionaires got started. Best ways to invest $1,000 in yourself. High-income skills like coding, digital marketing, copywriting. Learn a skill that can 10x your income. Certifications and courses like Udemy, Coursera, Harvard Online, increase your earning potential. Networking and mentorships. Pay for access to successful people who can teach you. Secret tip. A $500 online course can land you a job paying $10,000 more per year. That's a 2,000% ROI. 6. Start a cash flow business, passive income opportunities. Want to turn $1,000 into a business that prints money? Here are real ways to do it. Business ideas that start with $1,000. Amazon KDP, sell ebooks and low-content books, publish books without writing. Affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogs, TikTok, promote products and earn commissions. Etsy digital products, sell printables, templates, or stock photos. YouTube automation, faceless videos, grow a passive income YouTube channel. Little known strategy. You can buy a pre-built Shopify store for $500 and start making money immediately. 7. Automate and compound your wealth. The final step. Wealthy people don't manually manage their money, they automate everything. This is how you can do the same. Step 1. Set up auto-investing in a brokerage account. Step 2. Reinvest all dividends for compounding growth. Step 3. Increase your investments every time you get extra income. Secret trick. If you invest $1,000 today and keep adding just $50 per month, at a 10% return, you'll have $100,000 plus in 20 years. What's your plan? You don't need a lot of money to start investing, you just need a smart strategy. Investing is better than just saving, your money should work for you. Stocks, real estate, alternative assets, and businesses can multiply your money. The best investment? Yourself. Learning skills will 10x your future income. Automate your wealth building strategy so you don't have to think about it. Now, I want to hear from you. Which investment strategy excites you the most? Drop a comment below, hit like and subscribe, and let's build wealth together.